In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit with Elementor on WordPress. Whether you're using it for the first time or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can create stunning pages with ease. Let's start by navigating to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the control center where you'll find everything you need to manage your site. From the dashboard, head to the Pages section on the menu. Clicking on All Pages will bring up a list of every page on your website. It's a handy way to see all your content in one place, and you'll instantly recognize the page you want to edit by its title. Once you've located the page you wish to work on, hover your cursor over it. You'll see several options appear. Click on Edit with Elementor. This is where the magic happens, as Elementor is an incredibly powerful tool that provides a robust editing experience, which is both intuitive and flexible. After clicking Edit with Elementor, the editor will load. You'll notice the screen is divided into two main areas. On the left, there's the Widgets panel, and on the right, a live canvas. The Widgets panel is your toolbox, equipped with all the elements you can use to craft your page. These include headings, images, videos, buttons, and so much more. Each widget is draggable, making it easy to place it precisely where you want it on your page. The right side, your live canvas, shows your page exactly as it will appear to your visitors. This real-time preview allows you to see changes instantly, giving you a clear sense of how your edits impact the page's look and feel. This split view is designed for ease of use, allowing you to experiment while seeing results immediately. As you begin building or modifying a page, it's essential to keep in mind a few tips that will enhance your editing experience. First, always save your changes frequently to prevent losing any work. Elementor offers an autosave feature, but manually saving can provide additional peace of mind. Secondly, make use of the History panel if you need to undo previous steps or restore earlier versions of your work. It's a lifesaver for correcting mistakes or trying out different design options. Finally, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you play around with different widgets and settings, the more confident you'll become in using Elementor. With its intuitive interface and vast array of options, you'll be designing impressive and interactive pages in no time. And that's it. You've now got all the basics you need to begin editing with Elementor on WordPress. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to unleash your creativity on your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and happy designing.